For people who want to lose weight, enjoying a delicious diet is the biggest natural enemy. The following is a delicious recipe for you to follow and try sometime to ensure that you can enjoy a good meal to bring you a pleasure in the painful weight loss process. This is a delicious and healthy chickpea and spinach curry recipe that is easy to prepare and perfect for those who follow a vegetarian or vegan diet. This recipe serves 4 people and can be made in less than 30 minutes. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon coconut oil, 1 onion, finely chopped, 3 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 inch of ginger, grated, 2 teaspoons ground cumin, 1 teaspoon ground coriander, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon cayenne pepper, optional, for extra heat. 1 can, 15 ounces, chickpeas, drained and rinsed. 1 can, 14 ounces, diced tomatoes. 1/2 cup vegetable broth. 4 cups fresh spinach leaves, packed. Season with salt and pepper to taste. 2 tablespoons chopped fresh cilantro. Instructions: in a large skillet or wok, heat coconut oil over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and cook for 3 to 4 minutes, stirring occasionally, until the onion is soft and translucent. Add the minced garlic and ginger to the pan and cook for another minute, stirring often, until fragrant. Add cumin powder, coriander, turmeric, chili powder and paprika, if using, to the pan and stir well to combine. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes, stirring often, until the spices become fragrant. Add the drained chickpeas to the pan and stir to coat them with the spice mixture. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes, stirring occasionally, until chickpeas are heated through. Add the diced tomatoes and vegetable broth to the pan and stir well to combine. Bring the mixture to a boil and cook for 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally, until the sauce has thickened slightly. Add the fresh spinach leaves to the pan and stir well to combine. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes, stirring often, until the spinach is tender and heated through. Season curry with salt and pepper and sprinkle with chopped fresh cilantro just before serving. Nutritional information, per serving. Calories, 236. Fat, 8g. Carbohydrates, 34g. Fiber, 10g. Protein, 10g. This dish is a great source of fiber, protein, and nutrients such as iron and vitamin C. It can be served as a light meal on its own, or with brown rice or whole wheat bread.